Hello Fly Babies, hello my patrons, it's me your Flylady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Saturday, Family Fun Day. We have a 2-layer cake if you're an at-home Fly Baby, a 3-layer cake if you're a payroll Fly Baby. So let's start with payroll. If you're a payroll Fly Baby, you're going to do your morning, well, we're all going to get up and do our five routines. Morning routine, you first, children second. Laundry routine, at-home Fly Babies may not have any laundry, and payroll Fly Babies may not have any laundry. Paper routine for everybody. After dinner routine tonight, and before bed routine tonight. Okay, those 5 happen every day. Not every day, but almost every day. All 5 of them. Most of the time. Sometimes it's just 4, occasionally 3. All right. Don't let that confuse you. Just listen to what I'm saying for today. We're going to baby step this. If you are a payroll Fly Baby and you did not do your weekly home blessing hour or part of it, you're going to do that today. If you're a payroll Fly Baby and you did not do your zone, we were in zone 4 all week long, despite what I said on Wednesday and Thursday, then you're going to do some zone work today, either decluttering or cleaning. Remember that we only work 4 days, so you only have to do 4 15-minute segments of decluttering or 4 10-minute or less items, 4 one item in the bedroom, bathroom, or master bathroom, or closet. 4 things total. So if you did some of them during the week, good for you. I hope that you learn and train yourself and discipline yourself to do even more. But if it's impossible, which is absolutely the case in certain times, then do it today. It won't take long. All right, then you may have not done some of your basic weekly plans, like besides the weekly home blessing hour, you might not have gotten your errands done, so you may have to do that today. All right, so that's what you're going to be doing. That is for payroll. If you're at-home Fly Baby, all week you did everything. So today, all you have is your routines and the basic weekly plan. Now, the basic weekly plan for everyone on Saturday is Family Fun Day. I love it when you plan it. I especially love it when you tell me what you planned. So go do that thing that you planned with your family today. Now there may be other things that have to happen today that aren't part of your weekly plan during the week. You may want to wash the dog today, or you may want to work with the family on the lawn today, or you may want to decorate for the season today, or you may want to shop for your home today with your family, because this is Family Day, right? Just remember, if you want to shop with a friend, that doesn't happen on Family Fun Day. Unless the kids are at a birthday party, there's always ways. But in general, this is your Family Fun Day. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day. Always remember that you are beautiful.